Welcome to the end of the course. I'm very proud to be speaking to you now because that means that you've gone through this whole journey with me together. And you've learned a lot. You've learned everything from the control flow if statements, while loops, to functions, to classes, to storing data in lists, tuples, dictionaries, the modulus operator, all sorts of other things too. And the level that you're at now, you can take this and start to build your own projects. This has taken a lot of effort on my part. This is my first series that I ever put out there. So I'd really appreciate any kind of feedback that you have for me. I'm always looking to improve my craft, and I hope to continue to bring value to people through my video lectures, through any content I produce, and maybe one day make this a full-time gig. So I'd also like to invite you to join me on YouTube. You can just search my name, Austin Boydston, and subscribe to me there. I post free content there for anyone to see, and I just hope to bring value to you. So that's it for me. I'd like to thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.